be like say the Ondigbo no one agree to wetin Atiku talk last time. E get no Atiku talk and say make all Nigerians, in fact make all the regions, make them get one voice. I want to say the election wey dey come with the presidency election for 2023. In case you no forget, Atiku talk and say he no mean the region where the person come from. Say make everybody get one voice and vote for only one person. Where we know say if it make Nigeria better. Now the President General of Ondigbo, George Obiozor, he come verse say which kind one voice now they talk, which kind thing now they tell us. So you want tell us say we Igbo too, we know they capable of running the presidency. You can talk and say in fact if Igbo should become the president, things go dey better. Now waiting President General they talk and be that George. He talk many things. Say in fact if Igbo should become the president, hey things go dey succulent past this thing wey be say with the experience. Now invest very in case you never hear wetin this George Obiozor talk about the Igbo presidency, about the 2023 election, about the one voice, about how he take reply Atiku. Abeg, mo hear am.
One voice. That is not political now. One voice is dictatorial. One voice is unacceptable in a plural society, especially irrepressible pluralistic society like Nigeria. Certainly irrepressible individualists like Igbos. Now, my friend, what are Igbos bringing? In fact, they are bringing visible and conspicuous achievement, capacity to turn difficulties, to turn these national difficulties into dividends for Nigeria, obstacles into opportunities. Let me tell you the truth. Nations are saved by two kinds of events, either through leadership or through structure, none of which has worked in Nigeria. The Igbo man can change it. He's not a greedy man. He is also not a lazy man. Forget every perception you may have about the Igbos. The Igbos know how to share things and let others begin to take. And he's willing to take the last. Just as we are taking the last of all the zones in Nigeria for presidency. You will see a difference, my friend. The difference will be clear. The difference will be that the country will be stable because you are getting a government that will embrace justice, equity, and fairness. Charity to all and malice towards none. We are the federating people in Nigeria. Yes. If Nigerians live in the moon, the Igbo man is there. He is there. The truth of the matter is that you just don't want to use their talent. But it is your own loss. Look at it. I went to South Korea in the 80s. South Korea was developed within 10 years. One of the advisors, economic advisor that the World Bank sent there was Carlo de Caccal. Go and ask. So, what are we talking about there? Speaking with one voice. My friend, we will not speak with one voice. We are not mumu. Igbos will speak with different voices, reasonable different voices, then articulated by a leadership that has a sense of direction and knows what matters. Indeed, with this question of one voice, look at where one voice has kept us. No voice anymore. Come on, my friend. Don't provoke me with your voice.
I don't hear wetin this man talk. Be as if say the Igbo self, then the vest. Everybody now for this country now the vest. All of us don't tire for this country. Every region now the vest. Whereas the way they call them, the Mieti Allah, they talk and say, and never the power no go leave their side. Some region they talk say the power no go leave their side. Everybody talk say see, he go live whether you like it or not. No one voice. The southeast self they talk and say, southwest they talk and say see now we self now we get the power. The power must rotate. It must rotate. It must rotate. See as things they go. Now like not me I think and say now like this suppose day before democracy. I'm supposed to do. But when one region want to talk and say now their one side the thing will day for life. that one they shocklize me, they shock me, they look somehow say when do we start to the limit the president to one region, make another region say try this president stuff. Yeah? One region don't try am for 8 years, 6 years now, within 6 years now, going to 8 years. I think that one don't do enough. Make them rotate am. As one region they do am, some region don't like am. Make another region to try am. Maybe the thing go dey better. Now the Igbos now they vow say once they enter say things go dey okay. This man even talk and say anywhere we say you dey and you no meet and you no see any Igbos there, any business we say they do and you no involve Igbo there, say the business you no go grow, which means say Nigeria, if an Igbo to become the Nigerian president, say things go dey better, and they try to interpret wetin the president general wetin him talk to everyone. So my people, wetin now think about this thing where President General talk about the Igbo presidency, say about this, say no more one voice, no more anything for this country. Wetin now think about that? Should the power rotate to the Igbos, or it should stay for the North? We say in the before. Wetin now think? Make I hear your opinion. My name na MC Top Secrets. See you in my next edition. I dey everywhere. Follow me. Kaja.